please take the stand? Mr. Goofy, is it?
Yeah.
Mr. Goofy, you are here today being charged with mass homicide.
Yeah.
And your lawyer is here, present, am I correct?
Yes, I'm his lawyer, Joe Rosenberg. I'll be representing Goofy today in court.
Now, from what I see here, there is strong evidence supporting the mass shooting. It looks like here you were caught in broad daylight on CCTV holding an AR-7.
Yep.
So you're admitting that the man in this footage is you, correct?
Yup.
So you do admit that this very same footage right here, from the very same CCTV of you massacring a public elementary school.
Hello there, everybody. My name's Goofy. You son of a bitch! What you say?
Goofy, I was talking to Donald, not you, pal.
Yeah, you was talking to me, bro. What's your problem?
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were talking to me. Oh, yeah, okay. Have fun. It's time for me to make some food. Alright, now you started to piss me off, Mickey. You told me to shut up.
No, I didn't. I was telling that to Donald.
Bullshit, Mickey Mouse. I didn't hear Donald talk at all, man. Donald, did you talk and be honest with me?
Yes, Goofy. Yes, I did, but I'm sorry.
Well, time to put this in the freaking washer. Alright. Fuck you.
Goofy, I was talking to Donald.
Shut the fuck up! Were you working with him, motherfucker? Bullshit! Get the fuck out of here! Pissed off the wrong place! Bitch! Alright, motherfuckers! Mickey Mouse and Donald, which one of you two lazy asses wrote that on the mirror?
I don't know what the fuck you're talking about, Goofy, but it wasn't fucking me, huh? So leave me alone.
Yeah, Goofy. Leave us alone, bro. That wasn't us.
Piece of shit!
Holy shit, Donald, that was a close one. Oh, boy.
Mickey Mouse, I posted that on YouTube.
You posted what we did on YouTube?
Yeah, why?
Because Goofy has us subscribed on YouTube. Oh, shit.
Is you as well?
Yeah, guard.
Is that a yes? Can I get a yes, Mr. Goofy?
I object. My client has done nothing wrong.
He killed 27 children and crippled 5.
He's clinically insane, Your Honor. He's crazy.
Mr. Goofy, this is not a laughing matter.
I told you he's insane. His wife miscarried.
Mr. Goofy, what do you have to say for yourself?
Guilty.
Your Honor, my client would like to plead insanity.
No.
Wait, hold on. Mr. Goofy, you're saying that you were conscious.
Yup.
You were conscious and aware of your actions. Is that correct?
Yup.
Goofy, what the fuck are you doing?
Gosh, I did it.
And Mr. Rosenberg, looks like your client has decided to come clean.
Holy fucking shit. Your Honor, I'd like to call for a recess. I would like to talk to my client in private.
Fine. You have 5 minutes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You have 5 minutes.
Thank you, Your Honor. Goofy, get the fuck up.
I did it.
Fucking kidding me,
Goofy, come here. Goofy, come here. Listen to me. All right, Goofy, you're on thin ice right now.
Hey, Mickey Mouse, can you open this door? I got a huge surprise for you. Oh, shit! You little mouse bitch. Holy shit, it's the devil. Oh, shit, boy.
I'm not done with you yet, motherfucker!
What? What's up, motherfucker?
Goofy! I'm coming, Goofy! What's going on, huh? Let's go! Oh, shit! I'm coming, Goofy! What's going on, huh? Oh, shit!
Wiki, calm down. I stopped Vexlucius.
Hi, Goofy. This Vexlus is very scary, and evil.
That's right, and can you get Bill over here?
All right!
Okay.
Yo, Donald!
Oh, shit, Jones getting his ass kicked, man.
Holy fuck! You think I'm your dirty? Come here, Donald!
Son of a bitch. Oh, boy.
Oh, shit!
You're on thin ice, buddy. Come on. Come on, shape up.
I did.
Yeah, I know you did. Yeah, we all know you fucking did it, but we can get you off. We can get you off.
I'm a murderer.
We all know you're guilty.
I'm guilty.
Look, Goofy, I'm that's it. You don't have to be all this.
I'll fucking do it again.
No. Do you want to say that?
No.
No. No. Say that you're not guilty. You didn't do it.
But I did.
Yeah, I know you fucking did it, but just say you did it. Okay, Goof, you gotta take this seriously. You killed 27 children, okay? We all know that. We all know that, but I can get you out of this. Do you know how much money Mickey put on the line for this? Do you know how much money he's paying? He's doing this just for you because he cares about you. Okay? If not for me, do this for Mickey.
Okay.
I don't care about losing the case. Just do it for Mickey. Okay?
Okay. Goofy. Murder.
Goofy, shut the fuck up.
I love murder.
Why? Goofy.
The demons told me to.
Fuck, shut the fuck up, Goofy.
Murder.
Guilty.
Where the fuck am I? Oh, yo.
You're at the Krusty Krab.
Bala, how the hell did we get here, huh?
I don't know. Let me get Squidward. Squidward!
What do you want, mister? What the hell?
Bala, hello there, pal. My name is Mickey Mouse, huh?
Am I seriously talking to a rat, Mr. Krabs?
Hey, you better watch it, pal. I am not a rat. I'm a mouse. Get it right.
All right, enough. I don't know, Squidward. They came out of nowhere in my office. Where did you guys come from?
Well, we came from a place called the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse where Mickey Mouse owned that place, and it smells like shit. Oh, yo.
Yeah, but your mouse doesn't sell your mouse a slut.
Shut the hell up, Donald! Anyway, do you guys have a bathroom? I really got a tinkle, man. Oh, yo.
Yeah, it's over there right next to the cash register.
Wait, I didn't realize a fucking crab can talk. Oh, yo, wait, what the? Goofy has a stupid hat? What a loser!
Oh, that is not good.
Why did he scream?
Because someone pissed him off, huh?
Which one of you motherfuckers said my stupid hat and called me a loser? Oh, yo! Looks like everyone's getting to Punisher 5000.